Welcome, and today I invite you to embark on a transformative journey into the realm of Stoic purpose, a profound exploration into discovering and living your true calling. In a world inundated with distractions and a relentless pursuit of superficial goals, ancient Stoic wisdom offers us a timeless guide. The understanding that true purpose is not something imposed upon us by external circumstances, but a flame kindled within our very souls. The Stoics taught that every human being is endowed with an innate spark, a unique potential and inner compass that, when properly nurtured, can guide us toward our most authentic path. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." In these words, we find a powerful call to look within, to see that every obstacle, every setback, is not a barrier but an invitation to uncover deeper meaning in our lives. Today, we begin by asking, what is your true calling? In our modern lives, we are constantly bombarded by external demands, a ceaseless stream of expectations, comparisons, and distractions that often drown out the quiet voice within. Yet, beneath the noise, there lies a still, small place of clarity. It is there that your authentic purpose awaits discovery. The journey toward purpose is not about chasing a predefined idea of success. It is about peeling back the layers of societal conditioning and rediscovering the values, passions, and strengths that are uniquely yours. Let us start by reflecting on the nature of purpose as understood by the Stoics. They believed that purpose is not merely a destination but an ongoing process of self-discovery, a journey of aligning our actions with our inner nature. Seneca wrote, "Begin at once to live, and count each separate day as a separate life." In this spirit, every day offers a fresh opportunity to reconnect with your true self, to ask yourself what is essential, and to take deliberate steps toward fulfilling your highest potential. Imagine waking up before the clamor of the world begins, a quiet hour dedicated solely to reflection and self-inquiry. In that peaceful space, free from the immediate demands of modern life, you can ask, what is the one thing that truly matters to me? What ignites my passion? And how can I honor that in every moment of my day? This is the first step toward embracing your Stoic purpose, creating a daily ritual that allows you to listen to the inner voice that guides you. Whether through meditation, thoughtful journaling, or simply sitting in silence while the world sleeps, these moments of stillness become the fertile ground where your true calling begins to emerge. In addition to a morning ritual, the practice of reflective journaling is indispensable on this journey. As you write about your daily experiences, you not only document the external events but also capture the fluctuations of your inner world. Over time, your journal becomes a mirror reflecting your evolving values, dreams, and even your recurring challenges. It allows you to see patterns that may have gone unnoticed, a persistent interest, a recurring frustration that hints at an unmet need, or moments when your spirit soared with inspiration. Through this honest self-examination, you begin to sift through the noise and identify the threads of your authentic purpose. Mindfulness is another cornerstone of this process. In a digital age where our attention is pulled in 100 directions at once, practicing mindfulness is an act of rebellion, a way to reclaim your focus and turn inward. By dedicating time to simply be present, you create space to notice the subtle signals of your inner desires. When you allow yourself to fully experience the present moment, observing your thoughts without judgment, noticing the sensations of your breath, and grounding yourself in the now, you begin to disentangle the external clamor from the quiet wisdom that resides within. This clarity is the foundation on which your true purpose can be built, free from the distortions of fleeting trends and societal expectations. The Stoics also remind us that purpose is deeply intertwined with virtue. They believe that living a purposeful life means acting in accordance with one's highest values: integrity, courage, wisdom, and justice. When your actions are aligned with these virtues, you not only move closer to your true calling but also contribute to the greater good. Your purpose becomes a beacon that not only guides you but also illuminates the path for others. Imagine a life where every decision, from the smallest task to the grandest ambition, is infused with meaning because it reflects your commitment to living virtuously. This is the Stoic ideal, a life where personal fulfillment and social contribution go hand in hand. Yet, the journey toward discovering your true calling is not always easy. It requires courage to confront the possibility that you may have been living a life shaped by external influences rather than by your inner truth. It demands an honest assessment of your current habits, relationships, and pursuits. But in that confrontation lies the opportunity for profound transformation. Every challenge, every moment of uncertainty, is a chance to reevaluate and realign with what is truly essential. The Stoic approach teaches us that setbacks are not failures, but stepping stones, opportunities to learn, to adjust, and to grow stronger in our resolve. Consider the impact of an environment that supports your pursuit of purpose. Our physical spaces, our homes, our workplaces, even our digital environments, play a critical role in nurturing our inner life. A cluttered, chaotic space can drown out the quiet signals of your soul, while a clean, organized environment acts as a mirror for the clarity you seek within. By intentionally designing your surroundings to reflect simplicity and order, you create an external haven that supports your internal journey. Picture a workspace bathed in natural light, where every item has a purpose and every corner invites calm. A space that constantly reminds you of your commitment to living intentionally. The digital world, while offering incredible opportunities for connection and learning, can also be a source of overwhelming distraction. To truly discover and live your true calling, it is essential to manage your digital interactions mindfully. Establish clear boundaries for your online time, choose carefully the content you engage with, and allocate periods during your day for focused, uninterrupted work. In doing so, you reclaim the mental space needed to explore your inner desires and to take deliberate steps toward your purpose. Moreover, cultivating your true calling is not solely an individual endeavor. It is also about building relationships and communities that support your journey. The Stoics believed that we are all part of a larger human tapestry, and that our individual purpose is enriched by the connections we forge with others. Seek out relationships that encourage genuine growth, and engage with communities, online or in person, where thoughtful discussion and mutual support are the norms. In these spaces, you will find inspiration, accountability, and the collective wisdom that can help guide you toward a more authentic life. In the wisdom of the ancient Stoics, we find that the journey to discovering one's true calling is a continuous process, a lifelong quest marked by daily practices of reflection, mindfulness, and intentional action. Every step you take, however small, adds to the mosaic of your legacy. A legacy defined not by external accolades, but by the inner strength and clarity that come from living in alignment with your deepest values. As we continue our exploration, let us now delve into the practical steps that transform introspection into action, turning the quest for purpose into a daily practice that enriches every facet of your life. Begin by establishing a consistent routine dedicated to mindful self-reflection. Each morning, before the demands of the day sweep you away, set aside a few sacred minutes to quiet your mind. Whether through meditation, deep breathing, or simply sitting in silence, these moments allow you to reconnect with your inner voice. Ask yourself, what is the one principle or value that I wish to honor today? How can I align my actions with the unique calling that resides within me? This daily ritual not only sets a purposeful tone for your day, but also reinforces the notion that your true calling is not a distant ideal. It is something you can nurture with every conscious breath. Reflective journaling is another cornerstone of this journey. Consider dedicating a specific time each evening to document your thoughts and experiences. In your journal, capture not just the triumphs and joyful moments, but also the obstacles, doubts, and moments of distraction that challenged your focus. Over time, these written reflections become a rich tapestry of your inner evolution, offering insights into recurring patterns and illuminating the subtle hints of what truly inspires you. By reviewing your journal regularly, you gain clarity about the pursuits that consistently bring you fulfillment, helping you to fine-tune your daily choices and realign your priorities. The modern world, with its constant barrage of digital distractions, can obscure the quiet signals of your inner self. To counter this, adopt a deliberate approach to managing your digital environment. Set clear boundaries for technology. Designate specific times when you disconnect from social media and emails, and create tech-free zones where you can focus solely on your personal growth. This intentional digital detox not only conserves your mental energy, but also creates space for the spontaneous insights that often arise in moments of uninterrupted stillness. In these quiet intervals, you're more likely to recognize the passions and interests that define your true calling. Another powerful strategy for living your true purpose is reframing adversity as a catalyst for growth. Life is replete with challenges, and often, what seems like a setback holds within it the seeds of transformation. When faced with obstacles, whether in your career, relationships, or personal pursuits, pause to reflect on the lessons they offer. Ask yourself, how can this experience push me to evolve? What might I learn about my strengths and values through this hardship? This shift in perspective transforms frustration into fuel, gradually revealing the hidden opportunities within every trial. Over time, you'll find that your ability to navigate difficulties becomes a source of empowerment, reinforcing the belief that your true calling is forged in the crucible of life's challenges. Cultivating authentic relationships is equally vital on this path. The journey to discovering your purpose is deeply personal, yet it is also enriched by meaningful connections with others. Seek out conversations that challenge your assumptions and invite you to explore different perspectives. Surround yourself with individuals who encourage honest dialogue and who share a commitment to personal growth. In these interactions, you not only gain valuable insights about yourself, but also contribute to a community of like-minded souls who are equally dedicated to living intentionally. These relationships serve as mirrors, reflecting back to you the qualities that resonate most deeply with your inner calling. In addition to these individual practices, consider how your physical environment can serve as an extension of your inner journey. A well-ordered, minimalist space, one that reflects clarity and simplicity, can greatly enhance your focus and creativity. Whether it's a dedicated corner for meditation, a desk free from clutter, or even the strategic arrangement of meaningful objects that inspire you, an environment designed with intention is a constant reminder of the values you seek to embody. As you align your surroundings with your inner aspirations, you reinforce the connection between your external world and your true calling. Finally, remember that the journey toward living your true purpose is ongoing. Each day presents a fresh opportunity to refine your habits, adjust your priorities, and deepen your commitment to a life of meaning. There will be moments when old patterns resurface or when the pressures of modern life attempt to pull you away from your path. In those times, return to your core practices, your morning mindfulness, your evening journaling, and your digital boundaries. Each deliberate action is a step toward fortifying your inner sanctuary, building resilience, and gradually revealing the unique blueprint of your life's calling. As we reach the final stretch of our journey into discovering and living your true calling, it's time to reflect on the transformative practices and insights that have guided us thus far. We began by questioning the external definitions of success that so often dominate our lives, and by turning inward to uncover the unique spark that defines who we truly are. Through mindful reflection, dedicated journaling, intentional digital management, and creating supportive environments, you have taken deliberate steps toward aligning your daily actions with your deepest values. Now, consider the profound implications of living a purpose-driven life. Every choice you make, no matter how small, becomes a thread woven into the tapestry of your legacy. When you commit to the practices we've discussed, you gradually dismantle the barriers built by external pressures and societal expectations. Instead, you build an inner foundation so robust that it transforms challenges into catalysts for growth. Each obstacle you overcome, each setback you reinterpret as an opportunity for learning, reinforces your commitment to your true calling. The wisdom of the Stoics has always taught us that our potential is not determined by the chaos of the world, but by the discipline of our minds. Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus left us timeless lessons. To focus on what we can control, to accept what we cannot change, and to view every experience, be it triumph or trial, as a stepping stone toward personal evolution. By internalizing these lessons, you empower yourself to rise above the superficial distractions of modern life and to create a legacy that reflects your authentic self. Imagine a future where you wake up each day with unshakable clarity, where your actions are deliberate, your priorities are aligned with your core values, and every challenge is met with calm, measured determination. Visualize a life in which your work, relationships, and creative endeavors are all infused with purpose, because you have chosen to live in accordance with your true calling. This vision is not an unattainable ideal. It is a reality that emerges from the consistent, mindful application of Stoic principles. With every mindful breath, every reflective journal entry, and every moment spent in purposeful solitude, you lay a foundation for a life of deep fulfillment and lasting impact. As you continue to navigate your journey, remember that discovering and living your true calling is a lifelong process. There will be days when doubts arise and distractions seem overpowering, but in those moments, return to the core practices that have brought you this far. Revisit your morning rituals, reflect on the insights captured in your journal, and let the steady rhythm of intentional living remind you of your inner strength. Each day is an opportunity to reaffirm your commitment to a purposeful life, a chance to prune away what no longer serves you and to cultivate the habits that nurture your growth. Now is the time to take the lessons of this exploration and integrate them fully into your life. Commit to ongoing self-reflection, to celebrating even the smallest victories, and to viewing every setback as a necessary part of your evolution. Allow the wisdom of the Stoics to guide you as you refine your vision of what it means to live authentically. Embrace vulnerability as a strength, and understand that true fulfillment comes from aligning your actions with your most profound values. Let this be your call to action. Choose to live deliberately. Choose to let go of societal pressures and external validations that obscure your inner truth. Choose instead to nurture the quiet, unyielding flame of purpose that burns within you. As you do so, not only will your own life be transformed, but you will also become a beacon for others, a source of inspiration and a catalyst for change in a world that desperately needs authenticity and heartfelt connection. Thank you for joining me on this journey into Stoic purpose. May the practices and insights shared in this exploration empower you to discover and live your true calling, to build a legacy defined by wisdom, integrity, and inner strength. Embrace each day as a new opportunity to align with your purpose, and let your life be a testament to the power of living authentically.